Hello. All right, before we actually get started with this actual video content, I wanted to get this out of the way first. So I want to know, what should I actually review as my first 50mm lens review, as I am Mr. 50mm after all. So I started a community poll, and I believe I put the options as Canon, Nikon, Pentax, Leica, or other. So if you'd like to hop over to the community page there and submit a vote, or honestly, if you're like really lazy, put a comment in the this video below, and I'll have a look at those as well, and we'll tally them up. And after a little while, I'll use the results to see what lens I look at least what brand, anyways. If you actually have a very specific lens you want me to review, and if I have it, put a comment in the community poll. And yeah, we'll see if I got it. And if enough people vote for that, I will try to review it. Anyways, on with the video. Hello, and welcome to the Mr. 50mm YouTube channel. I'm Mr. 50mm. Alright, so imagine this. The year's 2002. You're out, you're shooting with your Kodak DCS 760 that you just bought for $8,000 US. But it's the end of the day, and it's time for you to unload your photos. So what do? Well, of course, you go home, you power up your 2002 era Dell Latitude, and take your PC card, jam it into that convenient slot, and you get to editing. No, that's not why we're doing this. To be honest, I just wanted to show you guys how to extract images off an actual PC card hard drive, if that's all you got for the Kodak DCS series cameras. We'll also just explore the Photo Desk software. I found one for the, I think, 645 Pro back. It should work with the DCS 760 as well, I'm pretty sure. So, I don't know, we'll go on an adventure. But I know some people might think this is an insane idea. You have a vintage Dell computer that weighs 4 trillion pounds just for Kodak images. Kind of. Now, there is actually a PC card adapter that you could buy. I saw one on Amazon. It's a USB 2 to, I guess, PC card adapter. But I think that actually would run about 60 Canadian dollars, or 40 US buckaroos. And I did not want to buy one. I actually came across this laptop here at a thrift shop, and it was about 20 Canadian dollars. I had to spend like $15 on a power adapter on Amazon, so overall like $35. And it runs Windows 2000. I initially didn't buy it for the Kodak DCS. I had bought it in order to actually move software from like a modern computer using USB to this chunky brick, and then I use that to move software to a PC card to a computer that didn't have a USB. And it sounds insane, but it was either that or get used to moving files on a floppy disk. And the PC card isn't fast, but it's faster than a floppy disk. So yeah, let's head up and we'll explore moving the images from the PC card to USB key to then be able to, actually use it on a modern computer. And again, have a look at the Kodak Photo Desk software. Should be all right. All right, so here it is. We got the Dell powered up. Didn't make you sit through that. So I unfortunately was going to try to use Fraps to do a direct image capture, but I realized I don't have a paid copy, so you only get 30 seconds of video recording before the trial version kind of stops the recording. So we're gonna do it the jank way. So here's what we got. So the PC card's already in the computer. It is over here. I have a 5 GB card, and here is my USB key. So first I'm just going to show you around how long it takes to like just copy 2 RAWs, because if we do this entire folder, it's going to take forever. All right, so we're going to go back out. Here's the USB key. Already made a folder that has nothing in it. And this is on a modern USB thumb drive, again through the like 2000s USB interface of 1.1. So we're not going to get blazing copy speeds, but here it is. So it's roughly 12 megabyte transfer. Computer's taking its time. 15 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. Oh my. Maybe I should fast forward the section. Oh, it's not that bad. I mean, isn't good though. So yeah, like I said, reasonably feasible way to get images to USB key to then actually plop into a modern computer. And yeah, kind of a cheap way to do it as well. Although it's a bit excessive just to have a computer to pull images off the Kodak. But if you are into some vintage cameras, specifically like the Kodak ones where you use PC cards and you don't have a storage alternative, this could be a very cheap way to do it. I do typically see like 2000s era computers go on thrift stores for like $20. And this one just happens to be of a similar era to the Kodak. PC card slots kind of were in use for a while. I think probably till like 2005 or 6. And I think even some newer computers after that did support them, like just because PC cards were kind of used relatively often in like a business setting. But anyways, let's go back out. And I have the Kodak DCS software, and we're just going to install it. It's a fairly small ISO, and again, I'll place the link to the Internet Archive that I found. And this will run, I believe, the 760 RAW files. Oh, it'll open them. So here we go. And we do not need the README. We can close that out. It's opening this. Oh, I closed it. All right. Let us open that again. Okay. Here it is. Our Kodak Professional DCS Photo Desk. I'm gonna open. And we're going to go pick that is my Wi-Fi. Let's go. Oh, actually, so this is the second time I've installed this program. It went weird, but here we go. I'm going to open this one. This was what I meant to go find. Not a staged video at all. But yeah, so here's the Kodak Professional DCS Photo Desk. You got your exposure comp. There you go, your white balance, daylight, and like Kodak photo profiles. Let's have a look at grayscale, portrait look, portrait reduced look, grayscale, product grayscale, product look. Oh, so many. All right, I actually like the portrait look. Let's set the. We don't need the noise reduction. Let's see. Let's take it at ISO 80. Yeah, we're good. Sharpening settings here. Let's do medium. Oh, it's already on medium. Excellent. And let us save that. Alright, so this is the directory that it was in. I'm going to move it to the folder that I had of the other RAWs. And we're going to output that as a JPEG. it does take a little while to save. All right. So yeah, there's the Photo Desk software. It actually seems not too bad, kind of basic, but you know, if you're intent on using this camera and the software, like just to, you know, relive the 2000s, this is an option. And yeah, it's not too bad. You got like crop mode, or yeah, crop, so you can crop the image and do the exposure count. Apparently you can do auto exposure adjustment. Excellent. Yeah. So it's not a huge amount to the Photo Desk, but honestly, not terrible. So I'll close that out. We will not save. And in a second, I'll pop the exported photo up on the on this video, so you can see how it looks. All right. Well, that was a fun adventure. Let's shut this computer down. Thanks, Dell. Goodbye. All right. So I think that was a lot of fun, right? Exploring Windows 2000, dragging images off the PC card, watching that amazingly fast write speed, and then moving that to a USB thumb drive using USB 1.1 speeds. Oh, so much speed. Hopefully it wasn't too painful, and hopefully I had some fun looking at the original like Kodak Photo Desk software. Anyways, what do you think of the video? Leave a comment down below, and don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.